Hello all, I am Dr. Gayatri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning challenges. Today we are going to discuss about B and D reversals. This is a very common thing for kids. They have difficulty whether it is B or D. So first point, is it okay for the kid to have a difficulty to know whether it is B or D? It is okay till age 6.5 to 7 years. It is very common for kids to get confused because our brain perceives that way. We know that it's a tree. If its branch either turns to left or right, we still say it as a tree. But that is not in the case of B and D. Our learning makes everything to understand in a linear form, and we start to understand that if it turns this side it is B and it is turning this side it is D. So it takes some time for the kids to understand this and learn this. What tips we can do at home for young kids to understand this B and D? I'll be giving you 3 tips and do use them. The first one is the classic example. This is the picture for it. B has a belly. D has a diaper. It's very easy for the kids to understand and it is so fun also. Kids start to laugh and they understand it much better. They understand that D is a diaper, B is a belly. So this is the first idea. The second one. For the second activity, make sure that you make the kid sit along with you just on the side. The kid has to sit just along the side. So if the kid is sitting along the side, we could do this easy activity. I'm going to just slightly turn so that you can easily see this activity. Now just take some small band. I'm using a small elastic band, preferably something like little elastic style. It is a small hairband I'm using over here, so that just put this band for your kid's hand. Don't say it is left hand or right hand for the kid. Just you itself can put this band for the kid. After putting that band, after putting this band, ask the kid to keep this shape. Ask the kid to keep this shape. And the kid has to see it. The kid has to see the shape. They can even move the finger over this, or you can move the finger for them so that they start seeing the shape. Now give them any word cards or any book or anything where it has B, and the kid has to keep on it and see whether it is matching, whether it is correctly coming. So if the design is correct, if it is fitting to that one, then it is B. If not, it is not B, it is a different letter. Just teach them this is B so that they can easily understand which is B and which is D. So this is an easy way for the kids to understand, and you can make the kids wear this band for like 2 to 3 weeks whenever you are making them practice doing this activity, and easy for them so that they start feeling it. And if the band is not also there, after 2 to 3 times they itself will take the hand and they will say it is the B hand. Yes, they will start saying it is my B hand. Yes, that is a good thing. They start saying it, they are actually seeing the print or anything. Whenever they are doing with books or anything, you could ask the kid to keep like this and take it over and find it whether it is B or D. It's easy and very quick, so that we could just put a band and make them do this activity. The last one is take printouts, or you can write it also. You could just mix some letters and add B also with it. First, you could start explaining. You have to just circle only the B letters. Maybe after the kid knows completely the B, then move on to this with the same B. Take a printed format or a handwritten. You could just join some letters and add this, and the kid only has to find where is D. So they will just circle it, or they can just color it so that they understand. Then you can mix both B and D, but don't join them initially itself. First, let the kid understand one. Let the kid understand completely which shape is B. Then move on to the D. Do try out all these activities for your kid. It will be very easy and the kid will start identifying B and D correctly also. Thank you all.